Leadership isn't given, it's earned. And for 90 years, Omron has led the way with the automation and innovation to enrich society, helping people with new solutions today and helping create a greener world tomorrow. Omron, a global automation leader in electric vehicle production, transforming your business to meet the demands of the rapidly changing automotive industry. With the most innovative electric vehicle manufacturing solutions, enabling the productions of the most advanced batteries and fuel cell technology, helping to create the most precise sub-assembly processes and the most efficient final assembly available. Omron, leading the way, powering the EV industry and revolutionizing your manufacturing process. Omron, leading the world in EV automation and innovation. Charge ahead today and plan your greener tomorrow.